Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. The modern white canvas, a study in minimalism. The allure of a modern white house is undeniable. Its clean lines and pristine facade offer a blank canvas upon which to layer personal style and taste. The introduction of a rounded door and a grassy front yard amplifies this minimalist aesthetic, creating a home that is both striking and serene. White, a color often associated with purity and simplicity, dominates the exterior, imbuing the house with a sense of spaciousness and light. Its reflective qualities can also contribute to energy efficiency, as it deflects sunlight during warmer months. The rounded door, a departure from the typically rectilinear architectural elements, introduces a playful and unexpected curve, softening the house's overall geometry. It serves as a focal point, drawing the eye and inviting exploration. The grassy front yard completes the picture of modern simplicity. An expanse of green provides a soothing counterpoint to the house's stark whiteness. It symbolizes nature's gentle touch, creating a harmonious balance between the built and natural environments. This minimal landscaping approach not only enhances the house's aesthetic appeal but also reduces maintenance requirements. Inside, the white exterior should be echoed to maintain a sense of continuity. White walls can create an illusion of space, making even small rooms feel larger and airier. Strategic use of mirrors can further amplify this effect. To prevent the interior from appearing sterile, incorporate natural materials like wood or stone for warmth and texture. Pops of color through artwork, furniture, or accessories can add personality without overwhelming the minimalist palette. The modern white house with its rounded door and grassy front yard is more than just a dwelling. It is a statement of contemporary living. It embodies the principles of less is more, prioritizing functionality, simplicity, and a connection to nature. The modern white canvas, a minimalist masterpiece. The modern white house has become an iconic symbol of contemporary architecture. And for good reason. Its clean lines and pristine facade offer a versatile canvas for homeowners to express their personal style. When paired with a rounded door and a grassy front yard, this architectural form creates a striking and harmonious composition. The exterior of the house should be meticulously detailed. While the overall aesthetic is minimalist, subtle variations in texture can add depth. For instance, a slightly textured white plaster finish can provide a soft, luminous glow. The rounded door, a key focal point, should be crafted from a material that contrasts with the white walls, such as wood or metal. Its curvature should be precise and elegant, contributing to the home's modern appeal. The grassy front yard, while simple, is crucial. It should be meticulously maintained, with a clean edge and perhaps a few strategically placed shrubs or small trees to add interest. Inside, the white theme can be continued to create an open, airy atmosphere. White walls, ceilings, and floors will make the space feel larger and brighter. However, to prevent the interior from becoming sterile, incorporate natural materials like wood for flooring or cabinetry. Black accents can be used judiciously to add depth and contrast. For instance, black window frames, light fixtures, or furniture pieces can create a sophisticated look. The living room should be a space for relaxation and entertainment. A comfortable white sofa, accented with black throw pillows, can serve as the centerpiece. A coffee table made of glass or white marble will maintain the minimalist aesthetic. Artwork with clean lines and neutral colors can add visual interest. The kitchen should be both functional and stylish. White cabinetry with sleek, minimalist hardware will create a clean and modern look. A white marble countertop can add a touch of luxury. Stainless steel appliances will complement the overall aesthetic. To introduce warmth, consider wooden stools for the kitchen island. Bedrooms should be sanctuaries of peace and tranquility. White walls and bedding create a serene atmosphere. A wooden headboard can add a touch of nature. Minimalist bedside tables and simple lighting complete the look. The bathroom should be a spa-like retreat. White tiles and a freestanding white bathtub create a clean and luxurious space. Black accents, such as a matte black faucet or shower head, can add a touch of sophistication. By carefully considering the interplay of colors, materials, and furniture, the modern white house with its rounded door and grassy front yard can be transformed into a sophisticated and inviting living space. Reasons to design a small modern white house with rounded doors and a grassy front yard. A small, modern white house with rounded doors and a grassy front yard offers a compelling blend of aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. Here are some key reasons for this design choice. Aesthetic appeal. Timeless elegance. The classic combination of white and green creates a timeless and sophisticated look. Visual interest. The rounded door adds a unique element, breaking the monotony of a traditional rectangular shape. Modern minimalism. The clean lines and simple forms align with contemporary design trends. Functionality. Versatility. The white exterior provides a blank canvas for various interior design styles. Natural light. The white color reflects light, making the interior feel brighter and more spacious. Low maintenance. A grassy front yard requires less upkeep compared to more complex landscaping. Psychological benefit. Sense of calm. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic can promote relaxation and focus. Connection to nature. The grassy front yard offers a sense of tranquility and connection to the outdoors. Positive impression. The combination of white and green creates a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. Sustainability. Energy efficiency. White exteriors can reflect sunlight, potentially reducing cooling costs. Low environmental impact. The simple design and minimal materials can contribute to a smaller ecological footprint. By combining these elements, a small modern white house with rounded doors and a grassy front yard can create a harmonious and sustainable living space. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.